Hey guys, this is going to be a follow-up video of my previous video, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch it. But this is how to strengthen your parts using Shaper for 3D printing, part 2. So in the last video, we had the 90-degree angles. In this video, we're going to do like pulls or pins and stuff like that. So typically what we do is we design the head of the pin or clip, right? And then we have the part that's like a screw that goes up of the clip. And typically what happens when 3D printing, you push a little force on it and guess what, it breaks. Very easy to break because it's only holding down all the strength down there is just one little line, including the infill. So typically what do people do? They make it like a fillet or a chamfer to add some volume to those lines that go up there, which usually does work depending on the application. But if you want to really strengthen your parts, let me show you what to do right now. And again, this is based on the previous video, exactly like it. But anyways, we lower it to the floor. We make whatever the floor distance we want. So in this case, I'm just gonna have it like 0.8 millimeters. That's fine. And so what we do is we offset that by 0.1, which again, remember, the 3D printer can't do that, but the slicer thinks that it should. So then we follow it to the top, and then we extrude it. And you could have done it easier, but I'm just doing this for reference so you can see. But now, when we want to break it, it's going to be a lot harder. So let's see, what does it look like if it was see-through? And this will give you all the information you need right here. So how do you make your parts stronger for 3D printing? You seed them into the main body of the part. That is the number one thing that you can do to strengthen your parts, because you have then, instead of the regular 2 walls, you have 4 walls holding each other in place. And you can go on from that. So if you learned something, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like this video, share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.